Omo no be small thing oh, my people. My brothers and sisters. Dem say Wike don dey tell PDP say make nobody follow Peter Obi o. Say if anybody talk to Peter Obi, they will have him to contend with. Omo the way power dey carry drunk this guy. The way power dey carry drunk this guy. As a matter of fact, him dey even tell dem say na him get PDP. Wike say na him be the next president of Nigeria. Na wetin him talk. Him say no this and no peace. I am the next president of Nigeria. Say if he see anybody wey dey PDP, dey play with ADC people, dem go know the kind person wey him be. Say him go remove them from the party. Wike, you are not the national chairman. Where this power dey come from? Wike say because na him be the next president. Anybody wey come in way, him go crush the person. My brothers and sisters, Wike say him go crush anybody wey come in way. Say he no get time for sentiment at all. That sentiment is not his own. So as e dey like this, Waziri, Dambowa, all those people make them dey their day. He said the promise wey Baba promise am, as Emile come dey finish, na him Wike dey be the next president. That is why una say everything wey they do for Abuja, they no dey talk. As thing they do, they go, then they clap for am. You know why they clap for am? Because they get agreement. That same thing wey him do for Fubara, now wetin this Wike wants to do. My brothers, my sisters, una no go understand. Una no go understand. E come be like say na Wike be the papa of Nigeria. Na how the matter dey so. Be like say na Wike be papa. If una look am well. And the pride and arrogance. He say make Peter Obi forget o. Make Peter Obi forget. It's not by who speak English, but true. It's not by who speak English. If not by English, some people for don't go far. He say it's not by who speak English. That made them leave all those English, begin face reality. He say they are broke. They don't have money. He say Peter Obi when they give shishi. Hey, no be small thing, no be small thing. Peter Obi when they give shishi. Now Peter Obi, man they go stand for. He say make them look themselves where. Who be Peter Obi? What did they stand for? Who be Peter Obi? Omo this Wike yabo. This Wike yab. Wike don't talk a lot of things. We be say, if you say you won't follow Wike mouth, not by be that. But if you look where, it's not by following Wike mouth. It be like say the guy get points for waiting they talk. Because the audacity where Wike they use talk the thing make una live am. Una know say e get a person go get audacity. Even you go know say there is power following the person from somewhere. And now waiting Wike don't they show them ever since. Say he get waiting, he get audacity. My brothers, my sisters, Mona leave wickedness for wicked people. I go talk am and I go talk am again. Make una what? Make una leave wickedness for wicked people. Some people wicked, no matter what you do, you know if you erase that wickedness from them. That type now wicked. And some people can't they feel say, Juju feel add this thing. Because wicked know they fear when they talk. They know they fear when they talk to talk. In they talk and with one all power. In they talk and with in might. In they talk and my brothers, my sisters, no be small thing. So Wike now in they give authority for PDP. They say waiting national chairman talk no they stand though. Now Wike they cancel am. And Wike plan now they say he won't promote everybody for PDP because he won't be president. You understand? And he say any of their member will go ADC, then go drag and they go cancel the member. Now God say Wike, what you concern you with personal life? If person say no one day your party again because you be bad person, you know go leave the person, may go to the party way one day. Wike, what is your problem? Wike, what is your problem? My brothers and sisters, no be small matter. No be small matter. Wike do this one. No. Hey, Wike do this one. My brothers and sisters. As soon as the matter they go so, make una comot Wike for una mind. Because that one don't chop stone. That one no get any human sympathy again. Wike no get human sympathy. And now these people, they are among people we don't spoil Nigeria. Don't spoil Nigeria. Una go dey happy, hey, Wike is doing road, Wike is doing road. But make una look where. Make una look where. Una go see say under that one there is a pretense. Any man that want to put division in Nigeria is a pretentious man. Yes, know this and know peace. Any man that want to put division in Nigeria is a pretentious man. And that man did not want the good of Nigeria. Wike no want the good of Nigeria. Know this and know peace. Yes, know this and know peace. Now we be say Nigeria this season, we be like say they won't fall. Wike they talk about Emile Ekong must be the next president. He say nothing anybody won't do. This thing what they don't do, what did they do? He said Emile Ekong will be the next president. Nothing anybody fit do. And nothing anybody fit talk about them. I seen this so, he don't zoom man already. Say na him be the God of Nigeria. Say if you no fear him, you dey on your own. Hey, my brothers, my sisters, things they happen. No? Things they really, really happen. Omo, when I hear this one, I no fit talk. I say, eh. So Wike say na him be the God of Nigeria. May God help him. May he continue to be the God. May God help him. Until God go come for heaven, come strike him. The way they strike Akpabio, allegedly. My brothers and sisters, no be small thing, no. No be small thing. When I hear this one, I just dey laugh. I told you talk with my mind and say, Wike, you are who you said you are. At this point, we no dey argue again, we no dey quarrel. You, Wike, you are who you said you are. We agree. We patewo for you. We clap for you. Collect the mantle, collect the power. You don't win. At this point, there's no even need to struggle. No need to struggle. Wike, collect the mantle. You don't win. Winner, Wike. Winner, Wike. Hey, my brothers and sisters, no be small matter. No be small shoot bird, mama fly you. Make una see woman be, make una see wickedness. Make una see woman be, make una see wetin dem dey do. But Wike don't forget to say, he no go dey for this life forever. Yes, now wetin Wike forget with that. Say he no go dey this life forever. Make they gather all the wealth, make people they suffer. Wike say karma no dey anywhere. That karma thing make una stop am. Karma no dey anywhere. Congratulations, Wike. We understand you perfectly well. Una don't see now. Now so they want to do Nigeria or God forbid.